Thank you to the University of Arizona and this opportunity to present at the Science of Consciousness Conference. I am representing my school, the University of Metaphysical Sciences. And today we're going to be talking about the linguistics of consciousness. And Dr. Gary Flint proposes, and I agree, that the subconscious has a linguistic process that is separate from both conscious and unconscious acquired language. My name is Deni Van, and I have been a professional linguist since 1996. I have had and still have contracts with Fortune 500 companies, with universities, with state and federal agencies. And I was at the top of my career in 2001 when I was diagnosed with a fast-spreading form of cancer. So what happened was I said no to traditional therapy, chemotherapy and radiation, and I was told I would be dead in 2 years if I didn't follow the treatment plan. And my healing journey began. I became a certified hypnotist and neuro-linguistic programming specialist, purely for selfish reasons. In 2008, I passed the predicted deadline, and people started coming to me for this type of healing work. And even deaf and hard of hearing people started coming to me to receive the benefits of this type of work. I had a dilemma. To understand conscious processing, we have to agree on what is conscious, what is unconscious, and what is subconscious. Once we come to this agreement, there's been substantial research done on the range and boundaries of unconscious processing. However, there has been no consensus made. And completing the integration process, it does require communication and collaboration between the conscious, the unconscious, and the subconscious. And this is going to be discussed in the methods part of the presentation. But still, even today, some may still combine unconscious with subconscious. Freud himself used the term subconscious interchangeably with unconscious at first. Later, he did reject the idea of combining them. However, we are learning that the subconscious is capable of so much more than we anticipated.